Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and Merry Christmas! So today's video is my annual Christmas makeup tutorial. I've got my Christmas bauble jumper on. I am ready to film my Christmas makeup. So I do this every year on my channel. I always film a Christmas makeup tutorial every single year. This is my 2023 version. I really enjoy filming these videos. It's different every year. This is the makeup that I'm probably going to wear around Christmas time this year. Well, this is what I fancy. This is what I fancy doing anyway. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with a good primer. Now, typically, I'm wearing my makeup for a good 16, maybe even more hours on Christmas Day. Probably more, 16 plus hours. So I need a good primer that's going to make it last as long as possible. So I'm using the Max Factor Miracle Prep Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer on my e.l.f. Stippling brush. And then I'm going in with a nice full coverage foundation. I do still want to look a bit glam, a little bit nice on Christmas Day because obviously it's a special occasion. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation in the shade F1. And I'm going to be applying that with my Morphe M439 brush. Then I'm going in with the matching concealer. So this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now to set my face, I'm using the Colourpop Translucent No Filter Loose Setting Powder. And I'm going to apply the powder around my eyes using my Morphe G35 brush. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe E2 Brush. Now I'm going to contour using the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe. And I'm going to use my You Spicy 27 brush. And for bronzer, I'm using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush to apply it. Then for blush, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Blusher in the shade Between the Sheets. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe French Boutique Blush Brush to apply it. Then for highlighter, I'm using the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. And I'm using my Real Techniques setting brush to apply it. Okay, so now time for the eyes, so I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, so I'm going to be using some Natural Collection single eyeshadows at the moment. I might use another palette, but I'm going to be focusing on these. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to start with this one here. So these are the Natural Collection Mono eyeshadows, and this one is in the shade Milk Chocolate. I'm going to use my Morphe R37 brush just to pop this through the crease. I'm then going to take this shade, which is the shade Vintage Pink. It's not really pink. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to focus it on the outer corners and blend that through into the crease as well. Now I'm going to take this one, which is called Rose Quartz. It's it's not really, it's sort of a shimmer, not really a shimmer, but it's just a little bit of colour. I'm going to pop that all over the lid. Then I'm going to go back in with the crease brush and just blend all that together. Now I'm going to take this Sigma E40 tapered blending brush with no product on it, and I'm going to blend the harsh lines. Then I'm going to take my Morphe E18 brush and I'm going to use all those colours on my lower lash line. I really like how that's turned out. It's given me like a smoky eye. It's really nice. Then I'm going to set my face using the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Then I'm using my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then I'm using my NYX Slide On Glide On Brown Perfection Eyeliner. Then I'm using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers and my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. And then finally for lips, I want to do a slightly red type lip because obviously it's Christmas. So first of all, I'm using the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade Faded. And then I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. And that completes this look. This is my Christmas makeup tutorial 2023. Really easy, mostly drugstore products, super easy to do, really simple, and I definitely think I'm going to wear this for Christmas this year. So I hope that you guys liked this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!